In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a custom size in Canva, a beginner's guide perfect for anyone looking to create personalized designs tailored specifically to their needs. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to start by heading over to Canva's homepage. Once you're there, locate the Create a Design button, which is typically prominently displayed, often at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear, offering you several predefined design choices. However, for a custom size, you should look for an option labeled Custom Size. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll start to see more personalized options take shape. After selecting Custom Size, the next choice you'll need to make pertains to the unit of measurement. Canva provides a few different options: pixels, inches, millimeters, and centimeters. The decision here largely depends on what you're more comfortable using or what your specific project demands. For instance, if you're designing something for digital use, pixels might be your best bet. On the other hand, inches or centimeters might be more applicable if you're working on something you plan to print, like invitations or flyers. Select the unit that best suits your needs from the drop-down menu. Once you've got your unit squared away, it's time to input the dimensions of your design. You'll see two boxes, one for width and one for height. This step is crucial as the size you input will define the canvas you're working with. Imagine you're planning to design a small card. You might enter dimensions like 3 by 3 inches. Type your desired width and height into these boxes carefully to avoid any mix-up. Double check for accuracy because this is the foundation of your design project. With your dimensions entered, it's time to bring your canvas to life by clicking on the button that says Create New Design. This action will open a new window or tab in your browser, providing you with a blank canvas set to the size you just specified. From here, you can let your creativity run wild, adding elements, text, and images to make your design truly unique. And there you have it. You've successfully set a custom size in Canva. Remember, understanding how to manually adjust the dimensions of a design is an incredibly useful skill. It allows you to step beyond the constraints of pre-sized templates and fully customize your projects to fit any platform or personal need. Whether it's for social media, print, or any other creative venture, having this flexibility can make all the difference in the outcomes of your design endeavors. Thanks for watching and happy designing.